Hi there, Melissa here and welcome. For today's video, I'd love to show you some steps on how I easily transformed my home into a Fiesta taco party using some really quick and easy resources from Amazon, the dollar store, as well as some creative DIYs. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so to start, well, something that I like to start with for any good themed party would be a themed treat. Now, I am not claiming nor will I ever claim to be a baker. So this is an easy way to create some treats that are themed to your party without having to do too much effort. So of course, I went and got some icing that all you had to do was add water and add your colors and voila, I have different color icing and I'm ready to go. I love these triangle bags. I love that the tip, you don't necessarily have to have the fancy tools and pieces to it. You could have easily used a plastic bag and just used the tip of the bag. But hey, I went with these triangular icing bags. And now to make things fast, I decided to use some pre-cooked cookies. I love the shape. It does the trick and we're ready to decorate. Now I'm just using a Lazy Susan that I have. Again, I don't have the materials, so we're just gonna go with what I already have, but I do know the trick is to have the bag really tight with the icing, and I just used very, very small hole for my decorations. Now you can see this looks really messy, but what I've decided here is that I was going for more of a piñata look. And so the messier, the better in my opinion. And I just wanted to show you that there's different ways to get that look, that fiesta look that I was going for. And I went with that circular or linear look. And again, you don't have to be a fancy icing artist like I am. Well, I tried. And there we go. We have some beautiful icing, decorative, very colorful cookies ready for my fiesta party. And now for my favorite part of party planning is the decorating. I actually am not a fan of the planning part. I'd like for someone else to do that. I'll write it all out on paper, but I'll probably have a million different scrap papers flying around until I finally have everything together and a party last comes together. But again, here's some easy DIY decorations. So using some green balloons, I blew them up really small so that it would fit my particular planter. You want to call that a planter, but you can use any kind of container. And hot glue, well, hot glue would pop the balloon. So I went with Gorilla Glue, and this was just so I can get the job done quickly. You only have to hold it for moments. And as you're stacking the balloons, think cactus. What would a cactus look like? And then I did little V's. We'll call them V's or check marks because sometimes they look like a check mark and sometimes they look like a V. And that's really to make those little prickly parts. And ta-da, I have some tabletop decorations that look like cactuses, but it cost mere dollars using only some balloons and magic marker. And something that is a huge must for me when decorating for parties is if you are thinking below like the table, you also need to think up high. And so I found some dollar store as well as some Amazon banners that really did the trick to go with my Fiesta theme. And it was very colorful as well. I love that this pack came in 3. It was easy to put up, even though I'm not making it look like it was easy. I swear it actually was. So then I found this beautiful backdrop. It is actually really easy to assemble and you can put it right on a flat wall. And I actually didn't have a flat wall that I wanted to use. And so I decided to cover my curio cabinet because I really just wanted to keep with that colorful theme so that anywhere you looked, you saw a Fiesta theme somewhere in my house. And what I liked about this backdrop is it really had everything there at your fingertips. The sticky side was already there on either side. All I had to do was remove the one tab and stick it on either side of the curio cabinet, or you can do that on the wall. Now, I could have continued to layer it, I could have spread it out more, but I decided to just decorate the top. And then I found these picks, these lime looking picks that really added to that Fiesta look. And so I was going with this floral, colorful flowers and adding that fruit citrus look as well. And now the nice thing is once you have a basis of what you would like for centerpieces, any kind of decorations that you would like on the walls, don't forget the ceiling, and then you're really ready to just add those extra details to your party, whatever that theme may be. For me, I love that this Fiesta theme really did shout color and brightness, and it really did bring a fun atmosphere. And now I was able to incorporate foods. I didn't just feed everybody cookies, I promise. I was able to incorporate foods that really did lend itself to the theme, and that was also going to be a good time with my friends. So what did you think of the ideas? I hope you found that they were easy, maybe something that you can duplicate as well in your own home. And please consider hitting that like button and pressing that subscribe button too. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped to keep you inspired, and happy decorating, everyone.